Hi, welcome to Sonny's, the car wash factory. I'm Bob Fox with Car Wash College. Today I want to show you how to adjust your Mr. Foaminator MAXX sheet applicator to get the maximum benefit and put on a great show for your customers. Before we start, make sure you get a copy of the owner's manual, which you can download at sonnysdirect.com and review all the safety information related to this procedure. Next, gather the tools and supplies you'll need, which are safety glasses and an 8-foot ladder. Now, let's get started. All right, today we're going to show you the proper way to get your Foaminator MAXX to sheet the way you want it to. There's a lot of variables involved in getting the perfect sheet. Number one, you want to make sure you got a chemical pump that can deliver the gallons per minute that's actually going to need. Right? Then we need to dial the air pressure in correctly. Number three is probably the most important, is using the right chemical. All right, we're going to turn this pump on and we're going to see what kind of flow we get here. We're going to adjust it upwards and downwards and show you the proper way to get the best sheet. So right now you can see we don't have enough air pressure going to it. What do you got going up there, Vic? You turn it all down?
So yeah, what I want you guys to do is just close the air. Okay, make sure you close all the air and just let the chemical comes out, right? And then you start adjusting the air with a little bit increments at the time.
So you're gonna do one foam generator until you get that perfect?
No, you start moving all three and a little bit increments in all three.
Okay. So you're trying to apply even pressure across three of them. Oh, now it's starting to sheet up pretty good.
Until you find the desired sheet that you're looking for.
What are some of the deterrents? What's some of the maintenance involved in order so we can keep this sheet going like this all the time?
What I can recommend you guys is make sure you clean the inserts of the foamer on like every week or every 15 days. And make sure the chamber on the inside is clean. If you see that your chemical was coming out perfectly and the next day is not, you probably got to kind of build up inside the chamber. Okay. So you will have to clean that.
I got you. Okay. There you have it. You want to get your Foaminator MAXX sheet to look like that? Make sure you got the right gallon per minute flow pump. Make sure you're using good chemistry and make your air adjustments a little bit at a time. Keeping up with this and all preventative maintenance at the car wash helps eliminate unscheduled downtime and ensure you're delivering a consistent wash experience that'll make raving fans of your customers. Thanks for watching. For more frequently asked car wash maintenance questions, visit us at sonnysdirect.com/FAQ. I hope to see you in the Car Wash College classroom real soon. And as always, good luck and good washing.